I can't do it.
Wait, here's the first.
Okay. What do you mean? What happened?
In there.
In the bathroom. In there? In the bathroom. I was taking number one first, and then I was about to take a number 2, and I was about to take it down, then it just automatically my shoes, and I just started jumping and taking
What happened?
When I flushed the toilet, no, I mean, when I went to the washroom,
Kirsten, that's enough.
when I went to the washroom, the toilet flushed by itself.
And what happened?
I just looked at the toilet and toilet situation by itself. Oh no.
And you took off running?
Yeah. I didn't know how to flush the toilet. Okay, stop.
That's enough. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye.